June 30th, 2014. The National Hurricane Center has upgraded this system we've been watching, guys. It's now 80% chance of tropical development. So satellite and radar images indicate that showers and thunderstorms associated with the low pressure located about 90 miles east of Vero Beach, Florida, have changed little in organization during the last few hours. Environmental conditions continue to be favorable for development, and only a slight increase in the organization and persistence of the thunderstorm activity would result in the formation of a tropical depression. And we're seeing that happen now since this update. I'll show you the radar images. It says the low is moving southwestward at about 5 miles per hour, but it's expected to turn westward tonight and northward by Wednesday, where it will be near the east coast of Florida. If this system becomes a tropical cyclone, a tropical storm watch could be required for portions of the central or northern Atlantic coast of Florida. Now, guys, this may come a little further than you're thinking, because some of the spaghetti models have now changed, and there's one that leads it into the Gulf. These are the visible images, and you can see where it's getting dark. And don't take your eyes off the Bay of Campeche. See that moving in? We don't know what will happen yet, but it's that time of year. We have to watch all of this area, all of the Caribbean, all of the Gulf, and now we're watching this area. But what's happening, and notice this new spaghetti model where we have one looping over into the Gulf, and if the eye follows that track, it will be back over warm water. This may change. I've been saying it for a couple of days. This may come into the Gulf. But either way, I have a lot of friends in Florida. You could have flooding conditions. Also, one of the models still takes it into New York the way the Hurricane Sandy did. But we're looking at sea surface temperatures, and there's the location. That pink area just right there, guys, is the hottest temperature that this storm has encountered. It will also, if it moves across Florida, will pick it up. Now, this pink area is the thunderstorm top. That's what they were watching for. It's right over the hottest part. Now, will it be pulled in and wrap around that eye? That was the key. That was what they were saying. If that happens, then it will go into a tropical depression. When they're down this low, tropical depression only lasts for a couple hours. It will be a tropical storm. I think it's a little too far advanced to just fade away now, especially getting to this hotter region. Check this out. You can see the lower level winds just above the surface of the ocean are spinning very fast. You can see that 5 mile an hour movement. Now think about that. That's slow. That's plenty of time for it to develop. We got to watch it. And notice where the cloud tops are bursting in the lighter red right over the hottest part in the ocean. So we got to watch this. There's too many things that can happen. One is just immense flooding across Florida, coming back over the Gulf, winds, flooding there, then going up the East Coast. The other scenario could be coming across and stalling in the Gulf long enough to pick up more speed and more water, more moisture, more rain, more flooding. It's important to watch is, again, look at the lower level, at the sea surface winds. That's a pretty good buzzsaw effect. Now, all it's got to do is wrap all of this together, and we got a pretty good storm on our hands, guys. Just wanted to bring this up tonight so you guys in Florida will be watching it. Heads up, be safe.